Our second technique that can be used upon searching in any database is truncation. Truncation might be allowed as internal truncation or external truncation. Some databases allow me to use the asterisk in the end of the word. For example, if I use Arab star, what does this mean, or what does this tell me? It would give me all the options of Arab, Arabs, Arabian, Arabians, Arabic. So it would actually order for me all of these synonyms without me keying them in and typing them in. It's saving me time. So I'm kind of making the keyword searching less of a hassle for me. If I'm looking for cats or a cat, would cat star be a good option for me to do? Leave you with this thought. Actually, no, because it would give me cation, cations, catermina, catastrophe, category, categories. These are all irrelevant keywords that are given to me by me putting the root of the word and then following it by the asterisk. So make sure to know where to truncate, and usually do not truncate a root of a word that starts with 3 letters, because it would give me so much irrelevant results. How would I fix this? I would fix this by either doing the following: typing it in as cat or cats to solve this issue, because I want it or the plural in databases that do not allow the plural. Or I would fix this by sometimes using the internal truncation that also can be used externally, which is a question mark in Medline, and it can be a $sign, it can be a hashtag in other databases, which resembles for me a number of characters. It's 0 or 1 or either 1, depends on the database itself that you're using. It would save time for me to write. For example, if I put color with LO question mark R, typing color as British or American, then again I might be using it here. So if I typed in cat question mark, it would get for me cat or cats if it represents 0 or 1 letter, as in here. So I'm saving time on myself. Truncation comes to help me in that.